Which word is most different in meaning than the other words? A. Project. B. Negotiate. C. Predict. D. Estimate. Or E. Calculate. Taking a look at our choices, we can see that a common thread is to guess or tell in advance, based on past information. Project, predict, estimate, and calculate all share this common thread. Note that choice A can either be read as project, the noun, or project, the verb. While it's true that there are two legitimate readings, based on our other choices, it's clear to see which way it was intended to be read in this context. The word that sticks out is negotiate, having nothing to do with the established common thread. Based on this, we can mark B, negotiate, as our final answer, as it's most different in meaning than the other words.